Hi and welcome back to the channel. Starting to feel a little bit peckish, so I'm off to a little snack bar here in Benidorm. A bar that's been around quite a while, actually opened on the 5th of March 1982. You might have been there before. It's called Mariano's. Join me as we go and eat at Mariano's. It doesn't matter what time of the day you come into Mariano's, it's always busy. We're lucky we've got a seat right at the back. Let's see what's on the menu. Looking through the menu, there's so much to choose from, but I'm going to go for my usual one. Number 49, the half chicken, chips and salad. The chickens are actually done in front of you now on a rotisserie. You can actually see them in front of you being cooked. And what are you going for? Number 63, the house mix grill. Well, I must have been coming to this place probably 20-25 years at least. I don't think I'm going to be able to get through this. It's absolutely huge. Right, there's only one way to get into this. I'm not messing around with a knife and fork. Oh, just look at that falling off the bone. It's messy, but who cares? Slowly getting there. How are you doing? Lovely. No, you can't fault Mariano's. And don't give you small portions either. Well, the chicken was nice and hot, and they have this sort of sauce, I don't know what it is, but they pour over the chicken and it's absolutely gorgeous, well seasoned. Chips, well, the chips are chips, and a mixed salad. It never fails whenever you come to Mariano's. You do get large portions and very tasty food. And the price is reasonable too. Even though it's classed as a snack bar, it's quite a large menu. Just looking at the starters, you've got a mixture of soups, garlic bread, toasted sandwiches, burgers, French bread, mixed dishes, curry rice and chips, grilled sirloin, barbecue spare ribs, fish dishes, battered cod with chips, omelettes, jack and potatoes, kebabs, chicken, beef and doner kebab, pastas and pies, and a whole list of pizzas too. So it's quite a big menu for a snack bar. Right, so I've just asked for the bill, and it's just come. So for a can of Coke and a can of Sprite, a mixed grill, and the half chicken, chips and salad came to a total of €23. The half chicken, chips and salads was €8.70. The mixed grill was €10.30, and the canned drinks were €2 each. So a total of €23. I think that's very cheap for what we've just had. I'm totally stuffed. If you're ever up the Levante side of Benidorm, right by the indoor market, you will find Mariano's. Give it a go, try the food out. It is very, very reasonable. So that brings this video to a close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Have you ate in Mariano's before? What did you think of the food? Be truthful. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if you didn't like it. From me, Paul, at Who Knows Where. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.